Zero Pro Toothpaste is marketed as a toothpaste that claims to whiten teeth, strengthen enamel, freshen breath, and improve overall oral health. The advertising may promise dramatic smile transformations, but the real question is, what doesn't the marketing say? Now, to be fair, using a fluoride toothpaste and maintaining good oral hygiene are important for healthy teeth and gums. Many toothpastes can help remove surface stains and reduce plaque when used regularly. What it does well, supports daily oral hygiene. Regular brushing helps remove plaque and maintain healthy teeth and gums. May reduce surface stains. Whitening formulas can help remove stains caused by coffee, tea, and other foods. Where the hype falls apart, it won't dramatically whiten your teeth. Most whitening toothpaste primarily remove surface stains rather than changing the natural color of your teeth. It's not a substitute for dental treatment. A toothpaste can't repair cavities, reverse advanced gum disease, or replace professional dental care. Results take time. Any noticeable improvements generally require consistent use over several weeks. So, should you buy Zero Pro toothpaste? Short answer, maybe, if you're looking for a standard toothpaste with whitening benefits. If you want a toothpaste to support everyday oral hygiene and help reduce surface stains, it may be worth considering. But don't expect professional whitening or major dental improvements from toothpaste alone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.